go ahead and do this. Okay. This is Tina Jones for Crochet Buddies, and that's going to be my Facebook room. That's also going for my YouTube channel. I'm going to change this. But first you link your chain, which is, this is a baby blanket. So this is for beginners. And it's real easy. What you do is you count out 120 stitches for your chain. And you go on each, you add, when you flip it over, at the end of the chain, you're going to add a stitch. Just on the first couple of rows. Then you're just going to continue the pattern, except for you don't add you just make sure that you have that ending stitch. And right now I am at this right here. This is, I don't know how many rows it is, but it's going to go to about 120 rows of this continuous pattern. And how I do the change of color is when I get to the end of my color to go to the next color up, which, see, I went through here. What I did is the one before the end of this ending here, say for instance right here, instead of having the gray, I looped, I had my stitch like this. Hang on just a second. Like this with the blue. Now my next color will be probably the gray. So I'll take the gray, I wrap it around the hook where my next stitch will go, which is right here, through the double loops. And I put it through the hook, on the hook, and put my gray through that way like this is right now. And that changes my color. Now, I'm going to try to set this down to where it's going to record me. Hang on just a second. Oh, shut up, computer. I've done it. Okay, I'm going to have to do something here real quick. Okay, my hook fell out. And it's hooked into the blanket right now. Anyway, let me get that hook set just so right. Sorry about the blurriness to it. Anyhow, I don't think I can do that, but I'm going to try to do this. Okay, this is my stitch, my next stitch. I'm going to try, I don't have a thing for my video, so just give me a second here. I'm going to stop it. Anyway, after you get done so many, then you're going to tie it off, and you're going to sew in or crochet in each one, like from here all the way down, and it looks like my stitch is coming out. But you're going to do fringe all around the blanket. So I'm not going to be able to do that all in one day, but that's my crochet tips.